Again, the time we all story where it happen for here, we get for make una understand country people them. The thing the way it happen for we country for this chapter so. Now 1 year this, it been another time for month for Ajimi, where they so chef community Musulman, chef community Hausa and all Musulman for that for Bonabedi be die. Now there were trouble be beginner country people there. Now you say so now time again for Ajimi. It don't happen to Ajimi Ramadan, it don't happen to Snafode way this so Oga, where they call it for that activity, administrateur civil principal Zacchaeus Bakoma Elango. Zacchaeus Bakoma Elango, chef de terre way this so na sous-préfet divisional officer for Douala 4e so country people then it don't come up book 3 book for that palaba. For this Ramadan, fête de fin de mois de Ramadan, where they come so for Bonabedi Witi, fête du mouton for this matter, so country people then. And I will give you this matter for this side, but we must understand say this so no prayer place no day for Ndobo. Quartier administrative Ndobo, una go back go make prayer na for play way, una dey for make prayer before country people then. I will read una, I will list una dan moi where they so sous-préfet don right and country for this matter. Then we'll talk to you about this chapter for that boy, Matute Gabriel, where we take cutlass, cut neck for a papa, so butcher a papa for Bokuango, for that set for Boyade country people then. As they carry go for cut for Boyade, Boya first cut of first instance, he take Tokyo one run past Mbimbim. Then now, guarding the prison warder, he gone, he run like Lucky Luke. He taking door. That man in the hospital. Then we tell you about this palaver for Sokapam for Tilo, and Sokapam too for that side for place where they call and see this so road for Kribi way they so they for grave for strike since 1 week for scare condition for work and they say money to know the at all in Kabapu. We take una go for market where they call and see marché ancien abattoir for Yaoundé way intimé vuna Jack boy people they don't broker all. Agnos dear plenty, Agnos dear plenty so country people then. Roland Akongo make see how Agnos dear way they so enough to make result again for your own way because physical Agnos. And then we'll talk about this chapter 2 for thief foul and for loom where they thief 1,000 foul country people they will tell on all. And then we'll take small go to again about that cannabis bang where they meet up and for chunk this way people want to say the one for see and more than green. Let me say folere green. No follow for drink following Jamanjama or the one who say biwole. Voila, I beg us na biwole. When na biwole or na Njanja. We show off on a country people them. So this one a pidgin news. Equinox television with Mieze. Ekuleku country people them. Una come good. So when I come good country people, we start with the same story for today. Same story for today. Now only person where they under rain, sabi if he cry. Same story for today. Now only the person where they under rain, sabi if he cry. Because if he cry say for rain fall, I'm not going to see water eye. Now give you that same story, Isaac for Konye. Isaac for Konye Day. Thank you, plenty. Isaac for Konye country people. Them the other person we support them now. Isa mota pon for kuta pa de unaka. Story will start for here. Start with the one country people them. Annulation de décision. Now say for Douala 4e. Bonabedi, here we come, country people them. Annulation for decision. This. Then that country people then. Seeing as already for under that cachet wrong. Now Zacchaeus Bakoma Elango. Zacchaeus Bakoma Elango, administrateur civil principal we talk with you. Say all population for Ndobo quartier administrative. And he said that thing where they so Mr. Baba Tamko Amadou Yurusa don't come for they talk say they don't come up book decision say they go the whole say they go whole prayer fête musulman for fin de mois de Ramadan with the sacrifice. Say it no go be. Say it no go be. Say don't hear say you don't go for there with the imam for Mosque Central for New Bell and other members them for conseil de chef traditionnel musulman du littoral and sud-ouest. For go put désordre. And for put trouble for other public for that side for family musulman for Ndobo and the corner place them. So you talk now say zero, it no go be. Say it no go be. He say, what did happen for him? He say, and the people for this interdiction, he talk say, vous êtes fait introniser à la mosquée centrale de New Bell pour venir exercer dans l'arrondissement de Douala 4e. Say you no get no base juridique for talk for name for any community musulman for Bonaberi. That's why don't talk for you. So now, it also all fidel musulman them. They get for go for the prayer, they day for prayer all time. That means if I go for prayer, they day for prayer all time. And I've also for Esplanade for sous-prefecture for Douala 4e. Now for they must go make prayer for this friend the Ajimi way in the Kamso country people then. About that one have been a number one. Number two, be say, number two, we'll get up for hand so. We'll just say, so innocent doctor, he hold on to sure. Signature for in under that. So, Zacchaeus Bakoma Elango, sous-prefet, voilà 4. Number 6 day for this moon day for inside so contribute. I'm yesterday way it on Shana. It talks about for that one, it calls in a decision. It calls in a decision contre people. It talks about it. Say any book where na Papa Tanko Amadou Yuruza sign am for talk say so they go make prayer for quartier yes quartier administratif Ndobo and corner them. Say la la you no go holo. Say that you know they at all for that matter so country people them. Say anybody try. If we go young one. For that side, so contribute us here they talk about for this kind. It should them so for their country people them say so any man get for go back now for play with this so they make it for make prayer all time. Therefore, he make his own prayer for day. Okay, and how will be so? So can be so for that side country people them for this kind chapter and a decision that way you come also answer all this say. Palava this way innocent are picked in nakan for we and then nakan for this kind chapter and so country. Man must respect according to the law. Man must respect what happened according to the law. Contribute them. Innocent Baker. We'll go now for another one. This one now for talk security. C'est récépissé des déclarations. Et c'est what contribute them. C'est chef for quartier Beseke 2. Et le talk security contribute them. C'est that prayer for fin. Chef de quartier Biseke de LH Tanko Amadou Camille. Fait so, il talk c'est that prayer for fête de fin de Ramadan. Contribute them. C'est go be na for Esplanade for sous-préfecture Douala 4e. Esplanade for sous-préfecture Douala 4e. Et on a science for the country people the inside this camp palaver and the matter the so we na the very sous-préfet na sous-préfet don't sign up for this. So na don't hear country people then. Una remember how they be choke people knife, shoot gun, domo be fight for they beat people in for hospital for all this kind of matter so they can cause trouble. For sika say man don't come go for Bona New Bell. Come go for Bona New Bell for their own mosque for they put chef. They come go back now for they one go enter with the throne. Now you supposed to say this you never put you chef for New Bell you can't see one can be chef for Bona Bell same banu no fi waka. So that don't tell now. So prayer no good for Ndobo. Good enough for Esplanade Douala. Esplanade sous-prefecture for this country. Oh, my way no want for ye. Oh, I fit in the apple so in contact with so. Now, Popo. Get rebuke for that side the way that Popo to recall and say this so Popo Kai Wala for that side to contribute. Now, we go for strike. No be strike say Matute Gabriel. Now for Boya. Matute Gabriel for the country people them. Make we see what you happen for Boyade. Now this. Son behaves. No, Matute Gabriel now be that son. Yes, yeah. Now, this part Daniel Matute. Retired warder, retired guardian de prison. When you go for farm, a begin take cutlass, mkwara, butcher in neck day. For sika palaba house, papa bisarongi, na jamami that cry. Na palma to the woman that cry so, he say, oh, begin of finish me, oh. So they carry my palma to the den, they bring them back for village, so tell so, paramount chief for back where the land, where they call it, so, yes, justice, endely, blood, where they so they be cut by neck for that side to country, the people they inside this, matter. So what happened, we say, that Gabriel Matutewe be kill pa so. Yes, that Gabriel Matutewe be kill pa so. They don't carry, they for prison for Boya. They carry now yesterday, they go with them for court, for tribunal for Boya. They a jump for motor take Tokyo, they run past Mimi. Guys in the prison, what they talk say, how I you run like a you? But my gun, man door, and he run like a lucky. A shooter. A shooter. How I don't shoot them now? Now for day way one time, Matute fall down. They carry Matute go down for Boya Regional Hospital. He there for this now, so for Boya Regional Hospital for this, so for the kind thing will happen. So it's a life there for critical condition. Country people there. They pray and that's what say so. Make it live to see what way he don't do as bad for your papa and the whole family where they didn't also no front, no back for this country. People they even try to drive them for back where they land inside this kind chapter and the palaver they saw for that side to country people there. Now we'll talk about this chapter for Sokapam. Sokapam for that side for Tilo from Kume Sokapam. Sokapam to for this side for play with this so them Sokapam no for that side to for road for Kribi. They did for grave. Palaba say what man wants say may they must work for Saturday. But I don't know, mbano. It is country put him. It come. Sokapam. Now all the uncle gather say mba, we no go work. Saturday when I for look their picking for us. Once their work close them. Saturday when I for see ngondere so na neighbor no help neighbor. So that means they no neighbor. Now they say they must work. And money no dey in Kabapu. They say ban, it no go happen so. They say na say so senior divisional officer Antoine Bisaka for that side for Kribi. Come for can see am say how na fit to the canteen. So he try to talk with they say no, we not take an easy country people them. It go better and it go happen so and so be so for that issue so country. Antoine Bisaka now that when you tell them say so massa. Una two inside the kind situation too. Una try cover eye for some kind of thing. Now be say una they see here. Work and so they stop work for this and no go work since 1 week to take on now so for the country people then. We talk about marché ancien abattoir market for Yaoundé with Ron Chakram. People them for Jack Bowen, Timmy Evuna Gilbert, Ron Chakram, all for this United country people then. Then the first come broke all the other stories for here. They live so one the way. Mami they call us in Anga for the cook chop, they sell fried pepper and beans, Accra corn, other one, even Accra banana. Sell them for this country people then. Sell all in them, if young wondo, all thing for here. Then now what can happen? They say even GB they be sell them too. Now they don't come broken all again. Mami they can see this so broken mo fake go so put them. They fix place now. For children, listen, they go to sell. So now for years, their villages, they don't want me to take, they go any place, not no get for the happen the way the palabra they take place to country, people them. How they talk about them, so must be so now wonderful kind of station that way. They take place so for this kind issue them so country people them. How the palabra take place so now wonderful kind situation that way. It in they play for that side for play the so ancien abattoir for year one day. How we talk about market moves remain for market. Agnos don't hear plenty. I say Agnos don't hear plenty. Now this for market now this. Let me say no day he dey. But when they make and chop you hear more for chop. And they put more goo for chop. Make and say this so chop it dey fine. Now they talk security for your country put them. Say this so. And say this matter them for the palaver so can we. They say contribute and say one annuity, 100, even 200 self. They man talk away annuity don't dare for come for North Camp for here too. They don't dare plenty for this country people that's united. And it happen so way this now man picking self Roland Akongo na go see what we they be situation for that annuity. Because one try to cook jollof rice, it is so take to annuity no be. He say if they say me annuity for one for 100, When I one cup rice be 100, I go do how? I'll buy na waiting. I left rice buy anyosi, or I left anyosi buy rice. Better I left anyosi buy na rice. So it's what happened. So this ground, you see, I'm done ground, done ground. And you talk about and see this, so anyosi dear plenty. When they come out from north, bring them for this country, when they say this kind of matter, when I can talk about them for so. Then I will go for Loom. Commandant the brigade for Loom the other day. I said the other day, he catch people there. 2 and driver 3. Where they thief 1000 poulet, 1,000 chicken, 1,000 picking fowl over chicken. That is. Brigade de Loom, Compagnie de Manga. As an authorization for chef d'escadron, chef d'escadron Kwai. For Compagnie de Manga, we can say yes, show them for TV. Say better for Loom now, it's show on TV. Now, when we pass poultry farm, that's a Bafton farm, Bafton Bati, Tifan Hota. Can I say carry this way, class this home cinema? I said, can I say carry home cinema for this country? Wonderful. Neither for this. So say now to say, they don't capture the issue. Them. Capture them for this kind of matter. So, Gendarmerie for Loom, they look at. They capture all the things. So, 1,000 fowl, picking fowl. All the guy could take the now, so now go answer. Now, so they even take them go to a company from Manga. Then, Commandant Kwai from Manga, they now don't send them for parquet, send them for waiting trial. The one will get choco, say for procure, say zero choco for this matter. Maybe the thief and say they bring up for dollar cancel. Then now, for this dollar now to go up for they say this, so they go do all things, make the fowl them big. So that for December, don't turn a BB fowl where they cook and put them for rice and stew for this matter. So for Christmas, for this country, the people then say this kind, should they happen for them. We'll go back again for Chan. People they ask me, say, do you want a biole? Let me say green. Or na ndole, or na folere frais, or na which I say no, na ina njap. No be ankia. Na njap. Na agogo mbe. Na gimme tong. Tomorrow agogo mbe. Like this. I said, you remember saying this when a commandant come for a farm to go move haricot for a farm? Say, no, me na commandant haricot. They want a done boys them. Na tete de na penka Michel. Na tete de ngedi wants to contribute them. For the other issue on this matter there. Na njap. I said njap. For this chapter, so contribute them. Na njap on the science where things they can't take place inside this have so can we and can issue them. For this so contribute them. So Professor Salopo de Voda talk say, hey, we don't last catch them. They give information, so they go meet up and inside farm. But I say na 2 tons. Do all the first harvest and say move and say put them for here. She say this na 1 kun for Bahamu. They say na 1 kun for Bahamu. Them country people they know na wa this one this so na popo njap. No, you don't catch them for this whole country. People then catch them to half for that matter to drive and go down. So 2 tons for njap for this will catch the people. They go answer. It will happen. Waiting them for them. So thank you plenty, Innocent Baker, doctor, for that. Thank you to this man, the colonel of various videos, the various cell for this country people them. Thank you all corresponding them for that's a look later came out the other one. So this number we will science number we will call for them for give story, give ultimately happen. So what will enter inside campaign for election, and that time we'll give you plenty to read about in the way they work inside campaign or side by side so country people them. Now for this speaking we don't also bien for French. Il a été retrouvé errant dans la rue un petit garçon âgé d'environ 8 ans s'exprimant en anglais. Il se nommerait Anatole Danjouma et son père Djoué. Il était vêtu d'un t-shirt blanc et d'une culotte kaki, également d'une chaussure blanche avec un chapeau. Il serait venu en vacances ici à Douala. Nous prions la famille du dit enfant de bien vouloir se rendre à Equinox Television. We don't get along, country people are switching happen. So, be so. Thank you, Nusa Abeka, doctor. Country people them. If una see my back, my belly, it is for front. Bye bye.